Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to create a vector file in Illustrator and explain the basics so you can get clean, scalable artwork every time. Step 1. Open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document by going to File, then New, and choosing your artboard size. This step is important because vector files are built from the start using shapes and paths, not pixels. Step 2. Use vector tools like the rectangle tool, ellipse tool, or pen tool from the toolbar to draw your artwork. These tools create paths and anchor points, which are the foundation of any vector file. Step 3. Apply fills and strokes using the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. This helps define color, outline thickness, and style while keeping everything fully editable and scalable. Step 4. If you are converting an image to vector, place the image and use Image Trace from the Properties panel. This method turns raster images into vector paths that can be edited like regular shapes. Step 5. Save your final artwork by going to File, then Save As, and choosing formats like AI, SVG, or EPS. These formats preserve vector data and ensure your file stays sharp at any size. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more easy and practical design tutorials.